An analog to digital converter is a circuit that converts a continuous voltage value analog to a binary value digital that can be understood by a digital device which could then be used for digital computation. These ADC circuits can be found as an individual ADC ICs by themselves or embedded into microcontroller. They are called ADCs for short. In electronics, a digital to analog converter (DAC) is a system that converts a digital signal into analog signal. An analog to digital converter (ADC) performs the reverse function. There are many applications of ADC and DAC that can be used in everyday life. When we say a mobile, it is not just a piece of plastic or metallic body. As it looks from outside, there are lots of different components modules inside that mobile. Typically, mobile phone will have display LCD touchscreen, keypad, microphone, speaker, SIM card, battery, USB port, antenna, memory unit, RAM and ROM, camera, codec, RF part, DAC and DAC, baseband part, which is L1, layer 1, physical layer, running on DSP. Application protocol layers running on CPU, on-off switch and Bluetooth GPS features. All these features are based on specific standard specification design, like it may be based on GSM, WCDMA, or LTE. Next, application to music recording. ADCs are integral to much current music reproduction technology. Since much music reproduction is done on computers, even when analog recording is used, an ADC is still needed to create the PCM data stream that goes onto a compact disc. Analog to digital converters are integral to 2000s era music reproduction technology and digital audio workstation based on sound recording. People often produce music on computers using an analog recording and therefore need analog to digital converters to create the postcode modulation PCM data streams that go onto compact discs and digital music files. The current crop of analog to digital converters utilized in music can sample at rates up to 192 kHz. Considerable literature exists on these matters, but commercial consideration often play a significant role. Many recording studios record in 224-bit or 96 kHz or higher pulse code modulation PCM or direct stream digital DSD formats and then downsample or decimate the signal for compact disc digital audio production, which is 44.1 kHz or 248 kHz for commonly used radio and television broadcast application because of the decreased frequency and hearing range of humans. Almost every environmental measurable parameter is in analog form, like temperature, sound, pressure, light, and others. Consider a temperature monitoring system wherein acquiring, analyzing, and processing temperature data from sensor is not possible with digital computers and processors. Therefore, this system needs an intermediate device to convert the analog temperature data into digital data in order to communicate with digital processors like microcontrollers and microprocessors. Assume that 1 volt signal has to be converted from digital by using 3-bit ADC as shown below. Therefore, a total of 2 power of 3 equals to 8 divisions are available for producing 1 volt output. This result 1 over 8 equals to 0.125 volt is called as minimum change or quantization level, represented for each division as 000 for 0 volt, 001 for 0.125 and likewise up to 111 for 1 volt. If we increase the bit rates like 6 8, 12, 14, 16, and others, we will get a better precision of the signal. Thus, bitrate or quantization give the smallest output change in analog signal value that results from a change in the digital representation. Next, I will explain about the application of DAC in music players to convert digital data streams into analog audio signals. The portable DAC is a useful device for those of us that like to listen to music while on the go or traveling. They can be as small as thumb drive and are a small, affordable solution for audio improvement. There are a couple types in this category: USB and battery-powered portable DACs. USB DACs will connect to your computer or tablet with a USB Type-A connection. These DACs are usually convenient to pack in your bag or with your headphones in any scenario and provide a substantial upgrade in the audio output of your device. The next application is about televisions and mobile phones to convert digital video data into analog video signals. Television signals are in the main transmitted in standard analog format. The signal is received over an outdoor or indoor antenna or over a cable distribution system. They may have a local analog set-top box to enable pay TV channels. This system, based on the composite analog NTSC, which is North America, Japan, and PAL Europe formats, has existed for 40 years or more and has served consumers quite well worldwide. Recently, however, television broadcasting has undergone revolutionary changes. In a conclusion, the concept of ADC and DAC conversion is very important for our lives. This concept can ensure that electronic equipment that we use such as computers and mobile phones can work with more advance.